Very good morning students. Welcome back to the online classes of maths. Today we will start a new chapter number 12, how heavy, how light. So let's begin the chapter. Jeju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all the things on a hose cart. See what they are telling? The two persons were shifting their house from one place to another with the help of the hose cart. They loaded all the things on a hose cart. They have kept all the things on a hose cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pans. See, those are the things they have kept on a hose cart. When they were ready to move, the hose refused to start. See what they are telling, that when they were ready to move from there, the hose refused to move, refused to start. They wondered why. So now they were wondering that why the hose is not moving. Their father said that this hose was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. See what they are telling, that this hose is not well and the hose will not pull a load heavier than 700. So now what they have to do? They have to make the hose cart weight less than 700 or up to the 700. So that means they have to remove some of the things from that hose cart, isn't it? But how they will know that what is the weight of the thing? Let's see. Father gave them some idea of the weight of each thing. See, their father gave them some idea of weight of each thing. Find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. So what we are supposed to do? We have to find the total weight of the hose cart. So here one table is given, things loaded and the weight. Okay. A sack of wheat, a sack of rice, water tank, almirah, that's a cupboard, a table, a chair, a mattresses, bamboo ladder, pots and pans, isn't it? But in this, the sack of wheats are 5, right? So let's make a calculation that what is the total loaded over there. See, 5 sack of wheat, 5 into 100 kg equals to 500 kg. 3 sacks of rice, 3 into 35 kg equals to 105 kg. Okay. A water tank 50 kg, an almirah 70 kg, 3 tables 3 into 10 equals to 30 kg, 4 chairs 4 into 5 kg equals to 20 kg, 2 mattresses 20 into 2 equals to 40 kg, bamboo ladder 10 kg, pots and pans 10 kg. So let's make a total of this. At that time we will get the number. Okay. So how will make the total? 500 plus 105 plus 50 plus 70 plus 30 plus 20 plus 40 plus 10 plus 10, 20. Okay. So while making the total of this, we will get the answer 835. Clear? 835 is our answer. So now let's find out. So table we have done. Now they decide to remove a few things from the cart. See what they are telling, that now they decided to remove the few things from the cart. Which things should be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kgs. See, now there is again one question that which things they will remove so that the horse cart load will be less. So let's see which things we have to remove. See, the 3 sacks of rice and the 3 tables can be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kg. What is the weight of that one? Rice. The sack of rice is a 35 kg. So 3 sack of rice were there. So 3 into 35 it's a 105 kg and a almirah that's a 70 kg. So while table 3 into 10 equals to 30 kg. So while removing that all things, the hose cart will be lower than the 700 kg. So our answer is 3 sack of rice and 3 tables may be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kgs. Clear? Now let's again move to the textbook. The things which were loaded on the cart were big in size and also very heavy. See what they are telling, that whatever the things they have loaded on a horse cart, it's very big in the size and also very heavy. To measure the weight of such heavy and big things, we need a big balance. See what they are telling, that to measure such of the big thing, we need a big balance. But Jaju and the Manu wanted to make their own balance. See, they both person wanted to make the balance by their own. They collect a few things, a stick, 2 lids and a thick thread. They made this balance. See, this type of balance they have made. Now, again we are having one more activity. Now, you also make your own balance. Write down how you made it. Also draw a picture of your balance in this below box. See what they are telling, that they both have made this balance. In the same way, you also have to make one balance over there, and you have to write with the help of which things you have made and with the help of what you have done. So let me show you the balance for let me show you the answer for that. See, to make a balance, number 3, to make a balance we need a uniform stick of suitable length. See, a stick we need that should be with a suitable length, 2 pens and a thread to tie pens to the stick. See what we need, that's a 2 pens we need and a thread to tie that pens with the stick. It is made as shown in the below figure. See, like this we also want to make a balance. Okay. So let's again move to the textbook. So this type of the balance you have to make it over there, and this is in the homework. Okay. So let's stop over here, students. Tomorrow we will start the further thing, that the page number 135 that we will start tomorrow. Okay. So that's all for this day, students. Have a good day.